please, eat something.
Oh, why bother? My face is plastered all over the news. Your father won't let me see the dog who's carrying my puppies. And my best friend is going to incredible lengths to ignore me.
Brian, don't let him get to you. Peter, come out of that thing!
He can't hear you, Lois. Besides, it's not him that's getting to me. It's your father.
I'm sorry. I talked to him, but he wouldn't budge. He can be so stubborn. I don't know how my mother puts up with it. He did promise to take good care of the puppies, though.
Well, you know, they're not his to take care of. They're my kids, and I'm gonna get them back. My father wasn't there for me, but damn it, I'm gonna be there for my kids. I'm gonna sue your dad for custody.